What's going on, everybody? Today we're taking a look at my dx6. So I'm having a couple of really issues with it. The only one is I lost my switch inside of the remote and it's affecting my aileron. So basically the switch is stuck in here, and if I push up it'll stop it. I'm not getting a full motion of the stick. And also this one's a little tight. Just gotta adjust it a little bit, but other than that, I'm just gonna show you how to take them apart. First thing I do is pull the batteries out, of course. So then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 screws on the back. Get a screwdriver that fits perfect. I already pre-loosened them. Okay, so we'll flip and let the screws fall out. And we'll put those over there. Okay, next thing, lay this on its back, give it a shake and lift. So now you're going to have all of the stuff that's connected to this back panel tied over. So first off, we're going to push down this little tab right here to get the antenna out. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to undo this one back here. Okay. And then that's still going to be a little bit of an issue, so we're just going to leave it like that. One more thing I already did was unplug the battery harness as well. Okay. So now it's backwards. This is going to be your throttle on the right, the other stick on the left. So now if your stick is a little tight, we're going to back the inside one off just a little bit to loosen that up some. I'm just feeling a little bit better. So the one on the inside, if you tighten it down, it's going to engage that locker there, which is going to make it click all the way up and down. On like a cheaper remote, you'd feel that normally. Yeah, see, there we go. The switch is already getting stuck in there. And the switch is broke off entirely. So we'll chase that down. Taking this, I was going to come in here from the backs. Cut that zip tie. And then unplug it from there. Is that in a single plug? It is in a single plug. Oh, that's not the wrong way. Here we are. So we'll snip it there. Pull the switch. And none of those are crossing, touching. We'll just tuck them down in here. No, it's not the right way to do it, but it's the way that I'm going to do it. Okay. So now that these are adjusted, back that off a little bit more and move this one. Okay, so now we just gotta plug everything back in. Make sure we're going the right way. Plugs are in. antenna. Then we'll put the antenna back in its little slot there. And then plug in the main harness, and we'll be good to go. There it is. Make sure you're not pinching anything. And everything lines back up. Really got to watch out for these. They'll pop up and out, so make sure those side panels are in there correctly. And then toss in all your screws. And tighten them down. Toss your batteries back in, power it on, you'll be ready to fly.